No, it's gonna crash. When I land, it's gonna crash.
I'd rather watch it real time.
Okay, here we go. Take it off. Oh, it flies so much better this time.
Nose heavy's better.
Did you add nose weight?
It's the battery.
How's it flying, James?
It's flying way better.
Yes, it is. Looks good, man. Go, Snoopy, go. Go, Snoop!
Timer expired.
Does it still feel tail heavy?
No, you can't.
No, I don't. It feels perfect.
Trim?
No, it's good.
Plenty of power. What do you like 60%?
I don't know. My timer didn't I didn't reset my timer, so I don't know how much time I have. Come on, baby. Stay with me.
Never said it was a trainer.
Give it some juice. James on the way back.
Look at that rudder turn, right?
Yeah, nice rudder turn.
Do what? Do what with it?
Give it some guts. Yeah, give it some nuts.
That's all she's got.
That's perfect.
That's all you need.
It's got a good. Uh-oh.
Shoot, that was a tip stall right there, fellas.
Was it?
Gotta give it.
Hell yeah, it was.
Yeah, you gotta give it gas on turns.
Did your battery shift on you? Hopefully not.
No, I gave it too much rudder.
Yeah, that. Good.
Yeah, planes like this, you can't do slow, tight turns.
It's a good idea. Yeah, buddy.
That thing boogies.
Woo!
Okay, I'm gonna land right to left, right? And there's no wind, I guess it doesn't matter.
A little high.
Bring it down.
That's the speed now. You got brakes, so.
Speed. Speed.
Oh, that'll stop it.
Hey, you need it.
Yeah,
Drive.
You need stronger axle